And in Delta State, the government says it is well positioned as the best investment destination in Nigeria with its human resources, arable land, and massive investment in infrastructure. Special advisor to the Delta Governor on Investment, Tony Amechi, told journalists in Asaba that the state government will soon unveil its roadmap on investment. Details in this report.
The present administration's drive to attract investors to Delta State was the focal point during the press briefing by Special Advisor to Governor Sheriff Oborowore on investment. He believes Delta State is strategic for all businesses and investment to thrive.
But we are strategically positioned, to drive prosperity for our brothers in the southeast, those in the south-south, those in the southwest. So when you want to talk about supply chain in terms of industrialization, Delta State is well positioned because from Delta State you can access virtually every other place you want access to, in Nigeria. Do you have the ready manpower, if this investment come, to man these institutions? Yes, Delta State has. So do you have the resources? Yes, Delta State have. Do you have the people with the right vision to drive this investment? Yes, we have it. So when you begin to look at the strength of Delta State, it is enormous. It cuts across all sectors, from health to education to agriculture to mineral resources, whatever you can call it. And that is why Delta State remains the best destination, for foreign direct investment.
According to him, agriculture is another area the state has comparative advantage, and revamping moribund companies are a major thrust of investment drive of the state government.
We need to diversify the economy of Delta State and go into agriculture, to also boost the GDP of our state, ensure food security and create massive employment for our people. You understand? We intend to also process most of those agricultural products that we're producing in Delta State. The right investment, for those areas are being put in place as we speak. We're also looking at most of the industries we had in the state, even before we became Delta State, to see the reasons why they are not working, with a view to finding the right investment, to bring them on board again.
Delta State's huge crude oil deposit is not the only asset the state prides itself in. It has arable land, highest number of higher institutions in the country, and a state with more than 20% healthcare insurance coverage, peace and infrastructural development across rural and riverine areas. Ikenna Amechi, TVC News, Asaba.